Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Nvidia stock and what is the price action telling us, what are the levels to watch, should you buy, should you sell, should you short, should you cover, what to do, right? So let's take a look at all of that in this video through the lens of technicals. And before that, I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Just sharing my opinion, please do your own thing. Now, today we have market closed. Now, this is for tomorrow, definitely how things are looking like on Nvidia. Now, Nvidia, as you know, has been still in the bullish structure. I'm going to turn on and off my tools as we go through in this video. You can see we're still in the bullish structure overall, so everything is still just fine on Nvidia. Now we are almost taking out that very level that I mentioned, that 144 and 50 cents area. So let's get to the hourly interval. The reason for that was because we were forming a little bit intraday multi-day weakness, and I mentioned that if we can regain above that 144 and 50 cents area, that will be a start of a strength for this thing. All right, to begin with, that would be the last trading day. That's Wednesday, and we bounced up from there. Yes, we did see when Fed Powell was, doing his speech and all of that, market had a volatility, but Nvidia still got bought back up above that very area, 144 and 50 cents. And this whole blue box zone still remains the area. As long as we continue to stay above it, we are just bullish on Nvidia intraday, multi-day, and so are we in the overall structure as well. If we lose this area of 144 and 50 cents in the early hours of the trading on Friday, expect the day to be weaker. It's not that it's overall bearish, no, but intraday expect the weakness below 144 and 50 cents area. Besides that, Nvidia is just doing fine, and Nvidia has given, as I say, a lot of good trading opportunities. And it's a little bit, I get it, it's a little bit going a lot sideways, but it's slowly and slowly making its way higher. Let's get to the hourly interval. That's where picture will get clear. It's still been slowly and slowly making its way higher, but there are the sellers that are always trying to slow it down over here, right? But we also have the buyers still holding the strength. So you can see we have the selling pressure, but then the buying pressure is also steeper. So not bad. And Nvidia, as I said, has taken out this recent resistance. It has opened up the doors. As long as we stay above 144 and 50 cents, it has opened up the doors to test this all-time highs now. That will be 153 almost dollars. So we are not very far away from it, just $7 away. And I just gotta do something here real quick. And guys, if you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video. My tools will help you in everything to make decisions precisely where to buy, where to sell, and all that stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to turn on the dashboard. I turned it off for a reason but I was doing something, and then I just realized I didn't have it turned back on. So I just wanted to turn it on to show you overall we have been just bullish. And again, all these things together with many tools will help you in real time all what you need to do. Now, on the weekly interval, though, as I said, we are just bullish, guys. There's not much on the weekly interval, but yeah, when I say not much, I mean there's nothing concerning. And yeah, we are just fine, 144, and even now, we have new areas of support. 141 area is also area zone around is a good support, but hey, we are just fine. And 144 and 50 cents is the level you are watching for the near term, above which your bias will remain bullish even through the pullbacks. Until then, we are just fine, and Nvidia has a lot of room to remain fine. All-time highest test is not impossible. We are very close to that. We will do this test, and most likely this time, possibly, we will break to new all-time highs on Nvidia. But anyways, that's all I had for you guys in this video, and we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.